Ni hao, I'm Jedlyn. I am married, blessed with 2 children from the Philippines. I have finished my college, studied Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. And for my working experience, I've been working in Hong Kong for 7 years. My duties and responsibilities, taking care of the baby, feeding, bathing, changing diapers, and preparing food. When she started studying, I send her and pick up from school. I bring her to the park. I bring her to the playroom. I help her with her assignments. I read her a storybook and other activities. I also do marketing, cooking, some Chinese and Western food, and laundry. If I would describe myself in 4 adjective words, I would say that I'm motivated, compassionate, dependable, and trustworthy. And to my future employer, thank you for your time and consideration. I am hoping to speak with you soon. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day.